Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making Korean kimchi pancakes or kimchi pajeon. And you know, I just had some leftover kimchi from last night and I didn't want to throw away the sauce because it's a lot and it tasted good, so I will turn it into a pancake. So again, if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you want more things from me, anything you want me to cook, comment it down below. And again, the videos are shareable, so please share me or share my food to other people. I'm talking too much. So, tada! Here are our ingredients. We'll need our kimchi or kimchi sauce, corn flour, plain flour, bicarb soda, salt, black pepper, spring onions, and some water. So yeah, let's begin. First, let's begin with the spring onions. Remove the other end, just cut off that end and slice it through. It doesn't have to be thinly, it doesn't have to be in any way. It could be thicker if you want it to be. Just like slice it through and just put it inside the bowl in here. Now that's the easiest bit. Next up is just adding the ingredients. Really just like pour everything into the bowl. I'll use that bit. Add a little bit more salt into it, not too much. Some black pepper. And the weird part is that I'm gonna put in the bicarb soda here first. Just a little bit, not too much. Then we'll use our corn flour here. So just put in our corn flour. Just making a little bit. So it's gonna be more corn flour than plain flour for this one. And I'm being honest, I'm making it up along the way, but I know that it will taste nice. So this one, just a little bit, and that's it. And now we're gonna combine them all with some water. Just wanna mix it up a little bit. Some water should be good. The middle. So you can also add egg into this one if you want to, but this should be enough to make it be an awesome pancake. Just mix it up. So that's the texture that you want. Not too runny, but not too thick either. Just like a good amount. So now it's time to cook our pajeon or our kimchi pancake. So you just wanna add some oil into your pan, just enough for it to be covered, and heat it up like so. So I put in some of the batter into the pan just to see if it's working, and it starts to sizzle now. So we'll add in our pancake batter into the pan. You want to spread it out so that it's not a big chunk and it's a bit flatter than this. Just make sure you have everything in there. Spread it around. So you just like slide it into the sides. So once it's cooking down below, this is the hard part technically of this thing, is just flipping it. So let's hope for a success. And oops, I made a crepe. Put that back again. So now we have to flip it, which is the hardest bit, but you could use a spatula. Wish me luck, and that went fine. Look at that. Well, there's batters on the side. That's okay. Look at that. That looks good actually. Well, I cut off this side, so just put it in there, let it cook further.